In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the purchase order into purchase invoice as we have a transaction on 26th of January, which is Mr. Sian sent all items against previously issued purchase order. That means we have already ordered in the past against that vendor, and now the vendor is sending all items to us. So now it should affect the accounts, and also the purchase order already exists in the background, and that is the main purpose of purchase order, that whenever received, you don't need to create a separate bill, you just convert it into a bill. It's very simple to do it in Odoo. Let me show you how. First of all, let's locate the purchase order. And obviously you cannot locate it in accounting because the orders does not affect the accounts, so it's not in the accounting application. So if you are in accounting application, let's go back to the main application section, and from here you just need to locate this purchase module. Just go in here. We have already booked an order. Just go to the orders and click on purchase orders. Here it is against Sian. As you can see, just open this up, and now we can just click on receive. Click on receive, and it will automatically create a reference according to the warehouse, invoice, and sequence, but we are just using a simple single warehouse. Received from Sian, operation type is receipts, all done, and all the quantity is transferred. Click on validate, and if we go to the orders and click on purchase orders again, it will show you the status of waiting bills. So when you see this status, just click here and click on create bills, and now you can see the vendor bill is created. Reference is already mentioned, but you can mention your own bill number. Bill reference, you can mention it here. So I prefer to keep this one as it is, and bill reference, I change it to any reference I want. Date is 26th of January. And since we are not receiving any payment, we are just converting the order to an invoice. So we don't use any payment reference or recipient bank. It's not applicable right now. And the due date is, let's say, in 15 days. So the journal was applicable as purchase of inventory because we have entered all of them in that sequence. So we have this order completely converted. Just make sure that the total amounts are correct and all set. Click on confirm. Here's the journal entry effect. Click on confirm, and now you can go back and click on the accounting and locate this bill. Click on the vendors and bills, and here is our new bill created. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.